In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use a Google Chrome profile for your Google Workspace account. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser window. You should see a profile icon. This may appear as your picture, a colored circle with your initial, or a generic person icon if no profile image is set. Click that profile icon to open the Chrome profile menu. You should see an option labeled Add Chrome Profile, or something similar with a plus sign. Click the Add option to start creating a new Chrome profile. After clicking Add, Chrome will prompt you to set up the new profile. Choose the option to sign in, then enter the password for that account. Be sure you are using your work or organization account, not a personal Google account, so the profile connects to the correct workspace. Once you sign in, Chrome may ask whether you want to link or sync your data. You may see a button such as Link Data or a confirmation option that allows Chrome Sync to be enabled. Choose the option to link or sync the data for this profile. After syncing is enabled, Chrome will finish setting up the profile. From this point forward, you can use this Chrome profile whenever you need to work in your Google Workspace account. That covers everything you need to know.